cops at? Yo, where the fuck the cops are at? I don't see no cops. Oh, there's the fucking cops! Oh! The cops are here, bro. I just pulled up to the fucking meet. Now the fucking cops are here. Everyone is out of this bitch right now. Everyone's revving their things under the tunnel right now. It's an absolute cloud. What the fuck? Here we go. You got that V6? I don't see no damn cops, but I'm about to get hit if I'm in the middle of the fucking road. Bro, I can't remember where I put my car. There it is. Yo, everyone is out of this bitch, bro. I don't see no cops. Oh, there's the fucking cops. Oh, yo, we gotta call Lester real fucking quick. All right, so what I was just told was that they moved the location because obviously the cops came. Now we're at this spot over here and they're about to do an intersection shutdown, all right? So shit's finna get lit, you know, we got at least half the cars are in this line right here. We got Javi over there in the scat or 392 and they about to shut this bitch down right here.
Hey, I'll give you $1 right now.
They mad. Ain't no one getting through. Yeah, bro, V6, but got the badge. Yes, sir. Okay. I wish the 392 good luck. He's about to spin. Gotta let the truck go. Bro, shut the fuck up. You're not moving. Yo, y'all really think you're doing something? Honking ain't gonna do shit. Bruh, middle of the night, y'all ever seen this much fucking traffic? Shut up, bitch.
Bro, we're having a circle jerk, bro. Let us do it.
Yo, y'all honking? This O-block. This O-block over here. You know we got the meetup right in the middle of fucking traffic, bro. Shit raw. There's a green light. Shit, nobody gonna move. Nobody's moving. You need to go to the Los Santos Customs. Missing a bumper. It's a honk me now. They playing the honking game now. Yo. Green light. Hey, yo.
Hey, David, I got 10 on you.
Bro, another match. Round two. Round two. Where? What? Where? Oh, okay. Now everybody finna go. All right. It's time to get the fuck up out of here. Let's go.